Hey everyone, welcome back to our channel. Today, we're tackling a common crypto query: how to withdraw less than 10 USDT from Bitget in 2025. If you're navigating the world of cryptocurrencies, you know that small withdrawals can sometimes feel tricky due to fees and limits, but don't worry, I've got you covered with a straightforward guide. Let's dive right in. First things first, make sure you have a Bitget account set up. If you don't, head over to the Bitget website or app and create one. It's quick and secure. Once you're logged in, navigate to your dashboard. Look for the Assets or Wallet section. That's where all your holdings are listed. Next, select USDT from your asset list. This will take you to the Details page. Now, find and click on the Withdraw button. You'll be prompted to enter the withdrawal amount. Remember, we're focusing on amounts less than 10 USDT, so type in your desired figure. Say, 5 USDT. Be cautious here. Bitget might have a minimum withdrawal threshold, which in 2025 could be as low as 2 USDT depending on network fees, so double check that. After entering the amount, you'll need to input the recipient's wallet address. This is crucial. Always use a verified address to avoid losing your funds. Bitget supports networks like TRC20 or ERC20 for USDT, so choose the one that matches your wallet for the lowest fees. Then, review the transaction details, including any network fees, which could eat into your small withdrawal. In 2025, expect fees to be around 1 to 5 USDT, so plan accordingly. Once everything looks good, hit Confirm, and complete any two-factor authentication steps for security. Bitget will process your withdrawal, and you should see it in your external wallet shortly. Keep an eye on your email or app notifications for confirmation. And there you have it. Your USDT is on its way. Withdrawing small amounts like this is perfect for testing or managing your crypto without big commitments. If you run into any issues, Bitget's support is usually responsive. Thanks for watching, and if this helped, smash that like button and subscribe for more crypto tips. See you in the next video.